Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another art demo. Today we're going to be taking a look at my homemade sketchbook that I made from a tutorial by Lauren Norris, and I'll leave a link for that down below. I used some scrap pieces of paper that I had left over from other projects, and then I used a manila folder to jelly print the cover. Basically, I made it with hot glues and staples, so I also cut my jelly print in half, so I bought a larger one that will be for full, but I wanted to cut this one down, so I had two 5x7 pieces to work with. So here I'm just adding in some bronze color, and then I'm going to use a stencil to lay down some stencil marks so that we can print in our new journal. So I'm going to try doing it this way like you normally would, but I think that's going to be really hard in the book. So I think what I'll do going forward is pull the jelly plate up and print in the book itself. So here I'm adding in some phthalo blue, which I love with this bronze. So I'm going to pick this up and then I'm just going to lay it on top. I think this is going to work better because I think it'll be less stress on the book. So let's make a few more. I'm just going to make a few pieces today in the book and show you how I plan to use it. Liking the two that I've made so far. And this is just going to be a place where I can play in the book and use some nice paper. The problem that I have with a lot of sketchbooks is I don't like the paper. So here I have some quality paper scraps that I can experiment and play without making big pieces. And really just experiment with. So I added another stencil with the bronze, and I'm going to squish that down. And I like how that came out. That's kind of a nice little print. I don't know how long this journal is going to stay intact. Hopefully it's not terribly fragile, but if it falls apart, it falls apart. I did find another tutorial on how to sew a journal. I just didn't have a needle that was big enough to do it properly. So I might make another one soon with maybe just some watercolor paper because I want a nice watercolor sketchbook, and we'll make it all the same size. So it won't be more this, it'll be more cohesive and all the paper will be the same size. I thought the glue and the stapling technique would work really well with, because all the paper is different sizes. So I'm just adding in some more marks into the paper and printing over top in sections, which is nice. I like the size of this jelly plate. I might even cut it down one size more and put it in half, so then I have more of a 3x5 size that might work a little better for these smaller pages. We'll see. Now I'm just going to draw back in and show you how I might want to use these. I'm going to do a little sketch here with some pencil marks first, and some marabou. I know those are the Mangayo oil paint sticks, water soluble. So yeah, this is just going to be my play journal, and I'm pretty excited about it. Adding in some graphite, the Lyra. These are fastly becoming my favorite tools to use. A little bit more of that color. And I want these to stay pretty neutral. I feel like this might just be my winter sketchbook in neutrals and blues and browns and ochres, since there's not a lot of color in the world right now. Adding in some water, spreading around that graphite a little bit, making some fun new marks. And I'm going to add in some white paint, just a little bit of white paint to sort of give it a little bit more motion. And I think that's it for today. I hope you guys had a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.